Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to discuss about the operators in Python program. There has multiple operators are there in Python program. One is like arithmetic operator, assignment operators, unary operators, relational operators, logical operators, membership operators, and identity operators. I want to discuss about each and every operator. First of all, what is an operator? My operator, it performs some operation on variables. It performs some operation on variables. Let's take two variables. A is like 10, B is like 20. You perform some addition operation. It's like A plus B. Now, if you observe here, my plus is like an operator. It performs some operation on these variables or not. So I can say my plus is like an operator and A comma B, I can say like operands. Operands. Okay, my operator performs an operation on only one operand. That one we can say like a unary. If my operator works with two operands, then the time you can say like a binary. If my operator works with three operands, then the time we can say like a ternary. Like this, different types of operators are there: unary, binary, ternary, like this. Okay, let's start our actual discussion. What is this arithmetic operator? Arithmetic operators. Okay, what includes, which operators are includes in this particular arithmetic operators? Means my arithmetic operators are plus, minus, and multiplication, and division, and percentage. These all comes under arithmetic operators. These all comes under arithmetic operators. Let's do some examples. Let me open Visual Studio Code. I created one Python folder. Inside that I'm writing my Python programs. Okay, create one more file. Create one more file, operators dot py. First, let's start with arithmetic operators. Create one variable a10, one more variable b10, b20, a plus b. Okay, this is my c. Can we print the values? Print of c. Here, semicolon is not a mandatory, it's like an optional. That's it. Now, can we run the program? If you want to run the program, open your terminal. Open your terminal, run your Python file. What is my Python file? Operators. So that py operators dot py. If I click on enter, now you can see the output. You printed the output is like a 30 or not. Same like this, any one of the operator you can use it. Any one of the operator you can use it. The next one is like assignment operator. Assignment operator is like equal. Here itself you can say this, you assigned one value to my a. Its equal symbol is like a assignment operator. The next one, unary operator. Unary, okay, is nothing but, most of the times we are using unary is nothing but one operator work with one operand. For example, minus 10. If you put, see this is the value. This is the value operand. You can say this is the variable value. This is like operator or not. That is like unary. The next one is like a relational operator. Here, the relational operators are like greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, less than or equals to, double equals, and not equals, like this, like this. Okay, multiple relational operators are there. Now you can write what it is going to return. Very simple thing. Come to our program. Now a value is 10 and my b value is 20. If I use like a relational operator, a greater than b, now my answer is like, is my a greater than b or not? It's like false. A equals to b. A equals to b. Now, is my a equals to b? No, it's like false. If my b value also 10, now you can say, you can run it, my a equals to b value is like a true or not. A not equals to b if you want to write. Now can you check it? Will it work or not? A not equals to B, it should be false or not. Like this, my relational operators are going to work. Now, the next one is like a logical operator. Logical operator. My logical operators are end. My logical operators are end. The next one is like or. The next one is like not. The next one is like not. Now, when my end is going to returns true means these all returns me like a boolean value. When my end returns true means my first value, my first expression and my second expression both are like a true, then my end returns me true. Or any one of the expression returns me true, then the time my total or returns me true. Not is nothing but it's like a opposite value. Okay, let's take one example you can easily understand. Now my a value and b value is this one, right? My a and b, my a and b, this is one expression I can say. Okay, and this is another expression. Now here you can write my a equals to 10 and my b equals to 10. See, the first expression returns me what? True, and my second expression also returns me true. Both are true, then only it returns me like true or not. Okay, now it gives me some value. I didn't save, that's the reason it returns me false. If I save it, then the time it returns me true or not. For example, if I change the value 11, now see, my a equals to 10, true. B equals to 10, no, false. True and false. Okay, that means it returns me false. Returns me false. For the same thing, both returns true, both expressions returns true, then only it's true. Okay, if it is like or, any one of the expression is returns true, then the time the total output is like true. Now it should be okay. Not is nothing but opposite value. That's it. Opposite value. A equals to B. A equals to B. It's true or false. A equals to not B. A equals to 10. Yes, true. True. Okay. If I put like a not here, not here. Now my value is like false. My value is like false. This is the way my logical operators are going to work. The next one is like membership operator. Membership operators. Membership operators are there has two membership operators. One is like in, another one is like not in and not in. Okay, I have one text is there. The text inside another sentence or something. Okay, one word is there. That word inside that particular sentence or okay in input data. Hello world is my total text. In this world is there or not, if you want to check, yes, you can check it. Okay, in opposite value is like a not in. If it is there, it returns me true. If it is not there, then the time it returns me true, like that. Now just take one example you can easily understand. Now come here, now come here. Okay, where is that? Okay, take one value like my text equals to hello, this is Sachin. I am from Mumbai. This is my text. Inside this one, I want to check Sachin is there or not. How I can check means very simple thing. Print my Sachin inside text. Inside text. Yes or not? My Sachin is there inside the text. Now it should returns me true. Now it returns me true. Okay, now if you see like Dhoni, okay, inside the text Dhoni there, not there. So that returns me false. Returns me false. Now if I keep like not in here, Dhoni not in this sentence. Yes or no? Yes, correct. Now it returns me true. Like this, my membership operators are going to work. It is there or not there. If you want to check, then you can go with membership operator. Not only string, you can check in the list, you can check in another data, wherever it is. My input is there, input value is there or not. If it is there, it returns me true for in. If it is not there, it returns me true for not in. Now can we go with the next one? Can we go with the next one? The next one is like a identity operators. Identity operators. Identity operators are like a true. The two identity operators are there. One is like is, another one is like is not. Is and is not. It's very simple thing. Why we go for these identity operators means, okay, just it is going to check, just it is going to check, okay, both variables identity is like same or not, identity is like same or not. If you want to check, then you can go with, then you can go with identity operators. How we can check the identity or a location is like memory location, variable memory location is called as a id or identity or not. So if you come here first, okay, see this, if you say this is one variable, okay, this is another variable, okay, this memory identity is like, okay, n1 n1, this memory identity is like n1 placed n. Okay, this memory identity is like, okay, n2 n2, the value is like 20, you can say, the value is like 20, you can say. Both identities are same or not. If you want to check, just you can check like this. Now come here, just create two variables, just create two variables, my a equals to, okay, 10 and my b equals to 10. Two variables I created, two variables I created. Now I want to find the identity memory location. For that, there has one method is there, that is like id is the method, id is the method. Now if you come here, now come here, okay, take this one also, id of b. Now come here, okay, the identity pointing to the same location or not, if you want to check. Now see this, the identity both are like same value, so that my identity is like same or not. If I put like b value is like 12 or something, the identity is going to change. Yeah, see this, this is like one location, this is like another location or not, both are like same values, then the time my identity is like same for both or not. There has, already I told you, there has two identity operators are there, one is like is, another one is like is not. Now I can say, okay, how I can use this identity operators means, now see, a value 10, b value 10, both are pointing to same value location or not, so that both ids are like same. Now if I use like print a is b, both identities are like same or not, both identities are like same, so that my a is b returns me true. Now my a is b returns me true. Now see this, this is also same identity, okay, this is also same identity. Now if I add like 10, okay, 12 instead of 10, now you can see this, okay, this identity is like 52, this identity is like 84, both identities are like different for the variables, then that time a is b is like true or false, it's like false or not. Now the same thing is opposite operator is like is not, a is not b, yes, a is not a b, my a value is like 10, my b value is like 12, so that a is not a b is correct. Yeah, it returns me true or not. This is the way. If the identities are like same, then the time it returns true. If the identity is like different, then the time it returns me true. This is the way my identity operator is going to work. Most of the times in your Python programming, these operators we are going to use. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.